You ain't gonna hear him. 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 Hey, Rip, if you can hear him, run up and kiss him on the lips and tell me what he had for dinner there, Mike.
Hey, you ain't right, 41. You ain't right. You've been friends as long as me and him, as long, maybe even longer. And you out here rolling bogus fires on my uncle, and you're one of your best friends. You ain't right, 41. And I'm going to show it to him, too. Hey, 41, I see you.
Hey, tell A41 301 just walked on through. Tell that 841 that 301 just walked on through. Break, 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 break.
Hey, 41 301 want me to let you know he walked on through. But he sounded like he wasn't playing either, man. 301, get even time to I told my good friend 841, you say you're going to walk on through. You're going to do it again, man, but you sounded pretty damn strong up here on the hill. Hey, 41, you had company that time around. You might be wanting to be careful that break.
Back off. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Hey, Vice Grip, where'd he go?
My truck. I don't know if he keyed. You said, where'd he go? I didn't hear him key back down. Hey, 41, I didn't hear him key back down. He said he was walking through. I'm not sure if he keyed there, right here. Oh, no.
The guy figured keyed up. You just didn't hear him.
He was trying to quick key there. He was trying to quick key. I was going to let him play there for a little bit. But here I am, here I am, here I am. He was trying to play that quick key game. But I know the game. I've been around a long time. 301 on this small mall getting down.
301, he been there about 4 times that time around. The water game won't lie. I got it all recorded, but that California said that Benny ain't gone. He did it about 2-3 times. I think he did it 4 times. Hey, 301, you sounded good. I ain't taking that away from you. You sound bodacious up here, man, but they got me as pop shot you. Hey, 301, odd bunch of 841. Let's do it again.
Watch me go, watch me go, watch me go, watch me go. 301 111. What's he doing now? What's he doing now? I just got down.
Look at that, Vice Grip 841.
Oh, he's still long keying. He's still long keying. He's still long keying, but I got unlimited key down time. Break, break, break.
About 41, but he had it down 301. I gotta keep it real for you, 841. You know, you my good friend, man. I'm just gonna keep it real. I don't tell them 99s, well, especially doing a little bit of refereeing. Hey, 841, hey, 301. Can you make a house stand there, buddy?
Hey, Sloppy Joe.
I'm gonna get on out the way. I'm gonna get out the way. I'm gonna let him have it. I'm gonna let him have it. I'm doing it all on the ground plane, too. I don't want to hurt no one's feelings, but I'm doing it on the ground plane. We just got down.
Can't make it say you got a ground plane, 41. He said he's going to let you talk, man. He said he had his fun. He's going to lean back. I hear you behind him. You'll hear it on the gate. But 301, you the winner on that ground plane. Do that. But, hey, 301, you all up in Connecticut there, right?
Hey, Roger, on that. We're neighbors, man. We're good friends. We're neighbors. It's all good in the hood. But, yeah, I'm doing it on the ground plane, but we got a little bit of fire in the wiring. The coax is hot about this 1036. 301 got down.
I had a good friend, 301. He's been a good friend of mine long years, man. A lot of years, man. He used to live up here in Hartford, Connecticut years ago. I used to go over there to Rascal's house, man, and leave all out of there crooked-eyed. Hey, 301, that's a good friend of mine, too. Hey, 301, real good job. I see you.
Yeah, he's a good guy, man. I'm glad he came up here. I'm glad I got to shook his hand and hang out with him, man. He's a real good guy. Good people, that 841. There ain't no doubt about it. Real good people. I'm going to have to turn it down, though, man. I'm over here getting my coax hot. I'm going to have to turn it down. I'm over here getting my coax hot. I'm putting too much fire in the wire. 301's got to go.
Hey, Joe, you going
Hey, 301, the next time you talk to him, ask him about that big, long Dodge silver van he had. He had a big-ass van with a 16-pillar, man. That guy used to talk his ass off. But ask him about the time we got it stuck up. We didn't get it stuck. We almost got it stuck up on the hill. Just ask him about that trip. He probably hear me right now, and he'll tell you the story. It's really good. Hey, 301, real good job. I'm going to lean back. Hey, 841, I see you.
Yeah, he told me all about it. He told me y'all guys had a 6 element up on top of a hill, and when Skip used to roll through, y'all used to race up that hill to see who could plug in first. They said they used to race up that hill to see who could plug in first there, Break.
301, we went up there in the mud season, and this company had a 2-wheel drive. I want to say it was like an 89 Dodge extra long, man. It had like 15 windows in the bitch, and he went by 2 or 3 stuck Jeeps in the mud hole, man. I said, damn, we ain't never coming through this 41, and that my man went right through that and passed 2 or 3 of them stuck in the mud with a 2-wheel drive Dodge van. Hey, 41, that was a good ass time. Hey, 841, tell my friends Vise be up 0445 waving a hand. 841, tell my friends Vise be up on the hill 0445 waving a hand.
Forklift, 841, 841, just me and this big-legged girl is getting up.
Hello, 1041, you got me laughing, man. I remember that shit, man. That was good. That was good stuff. All right, 41, let me use my bit of storage in my phone that was acting up the other day, so I gotta go check my phone. Hey, 41, good to hear your voice, my friend. Hey, 301. Well, that ground boy is smoking, no doubt about it. Hey, 41, I'll catch you later. Come on.
Hey, that's pretty good right there. I didn't key up. I wanted to hear him talk, but it was another guy wanting to roll a 5. I think a 45 wanted to roll a 5 to you, Grip. But you said there was 4x4s stuck. You said there was 4x4 Jeep stuck all in the mud in 841 with this big-ass long van with 100 windows looking like a bus just rolled right on through and went right through the mud and made it right to the top. That's what you said. 301, the BAM's got to go.
True story, man. That's real talk. I ain't no bullshit, man. That cat nigga went by them stuck in the mud Jeeps, and I tell you, it was about 3 feet of mud where they were stuck at. And 445, they're gone. We ain't never coming out of here. And he went by 2 or 3 of them.
Ran up the street, Captain.
It was 2. And 301. And he went by him like it was no thing.
That's good stuff right there, man. I'm glad I got all this on the gate, too, man. I've been rolling a live video gate on CB Radio Show and Tell. So we've been broadcasting it live. We got about a few people watching it. But we got that all on the gate. Ain't no doubt about it. And the gate don't lie. All right, man, I got to go. I got to cool down. This CX 10,000 has got this coax red smoking hot, and I got to cool on down. 301, the BAM saying bye-bye-bye.
Ding dong, 445. Hello, ding dong, 445 with the evening wave.